is my food. I have two chickens for my food in dinner. But now I am do it already. After that, I will cooking it for my food. Nine, sharp nine, small sharp nine for me cutting chickens. There are a lot of chicken in my house because I am a farmer. I raising animals with chickens and other animals. This can find food around my house. This is my daughter. She is very beautiful. Hello. Hello. Speak to me. They are eating food all together. They find a worm. They find a worm in the green grass. If I want to find food for me, I can. I can take it to my food. No. No food. Hello, baby. Baby, sing a song. Baby, don't touch. Get up. Mother feet. Get relaxed. But now this is my food today for my dinner. Wow, two chickens. I think that is very big for me. This is all about cooking food. Every day for me, and action of raising chickens around my house and view a lot of trees near my house. You can see mango trees behind my house. Yes. I'm sorry if I speak English not very well because I can speak English a little. Not well. but I want to show our guy on my channel YouTube. Please, guys, subscribe about me. You can see everything. Contact action daily. Yes. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. See you next video on my channel.